Anthony, good question. Do you ever think we'll ever see a day when hulls are made out of carbon fiber? Well, technically, we see them today. All right, we've been seeing them for over a decade, but they're absurdly expensive, like absurdly expensive. So effectively, the cost of carbon fiber, the cost of the molding of carbon fiber would have to come down radically. But again, you remember when billet aluminum was like the bee's knees and like everyone had to have billet aluminum for stuff, and now like cheap Chinese crap comes made out of CNC billet aluminum. So again, the cost of production just has to come down. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.